जय हिंद, जय भारत, भारत माता की जय. So I am visiting and exploring the Red Fort complex, each and every monument inside the Red Fort complex where I have come to visit. And the first part of the content of the Red Fort has completed, and this is my second that I am going to explore many more places after the Lahori Gate and Chhata Chowk, Meena Bazaar. So let's stay together with me and explore together with me the remaining monument in the Red Fort complex. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bande Mataram. So Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. So in my previous content we discussed about the Lahori Gate and the Chhata Bazaar. So in this time I came here to explore the Naubat Khana, which is also known as the Nakar Khana, which is a drum house stand at the entrance to the palatial complex in Red Fort. So, in its days of the glory, musicians from the Naubat Khana announced the arrival of the emperor or other prominent dignitaries at the court of the public audience. Music was also played 5 times a day at chosen hours. And most of the royal places of India have essentially the Naubat Khana at the entrance. So later, the Mughal king Jahandar Shah and Fakhruddin Siar are said to have been assassinated here, and Jahandar Shah, who died by executive in 1713 after being defeated by the Fakhruddin Siar, beaten to death and beheaded. And in 1719th century, the Said brothers, with the help of Peshwa Balaji Biswanath, blinded and killed Farooq Siar at that time. So let's see the view. I am going towards the Diwane Am. So which is clearly visible from the here, which is just after the Naubat Khana in Red Fort complex. So Diwane Am or hall of public audience was the place where Shah Jahan received the general publics and heard the grievance here. So in the center of the eastern hall there, so I am going to see, let's see the view of the Diwane Am, which is looking so beautiful place here, and still it look like a very great monument built by the red sandstone along with the some white marbles also there. So this is my first experience, and then after that I have to also visit the Diwane Khas Mahal, Mumtaz Mahal, and Moti Masjid, Hira Mahal, Jafar Mahal, and so many places like that kind of monument, and Rang Mahal also there. So in the center of the eastern hall stand a marble canopy covered by Bengal roof, under which was placed the emperor's throne of Shah Jahan, and a marble dais below the throne was used by Wazir as a prime minister for receiving petitions at the time. So Diwane Khas Mahal, Rang Mahal, and the Mumtaz Mahal still I am going to explore from here. Let's see, the all places are clearly visible from the here. So really it's very beautiful here looking. So the Rang Mahal or Palace of Color is located in Red Fort complex, which was the part of the palace where female members of the Mughal royal family could rest at, and it was known as the Palace of Distinctions Imtiaz Mahal during the rule of Shah Jahan. And the building interior once was richly painted and decorated, and some of the buildings are called Sheesh Mahal due to its tiny pieces of the mirror that cover the ceilings. And the center of the marble palace of Rang Mahal, a canal called the River of Paradise or River of Heaven Nahre Vishisht flow into a marble basin carved into the floor under the Rang Mahal. So there was also a basement tehkhana which women would use on hot summer days at that time. So this is the view of the Rang Mahal, still is looking so beautiful, which is made by the white marble, which is clearly visible from the here. And there are so many monuments are still remaining. So this is the second monument, Khas Mahal, which is served as the Mughal emperor's private residence. That a structure is located inside the Red Fort, and Khas Mahal is a large defensive and governmental complex which consists of 3 parts. First one is the Tasib Khana, means the chamber of telling bears. Second is the Khwab Gah, means sleeping chamber, and third is the Tosh Khana, means the wardrobe or sitting room. So this is the view of the another monument I am going to explore. Diwan Khas show or hall of the private audience was situated in the Red Fort of Delhi, built in 1648 as a location of the receptions. So Diwan Khas was the location where the Mughal king Shah Jahan received courtiers and the state guest, which was also known as the Shah Mahal. So the ceiling, which was originally inlaid with silver and gold, was stripped by Jats and Marathas during the financial crisis of the empire, and later the peacock throne with Kohinoor diamond from after Nadir Shah invention only stood in this divan. So the center of the hall flowed the stream of paradise, Nahre Basist, and these arcaded court and the luxurious were destroyed after the Indian Rebellion of 1857 during the British. So let's see this monument. Diwan Khas also built by the pure white marble Sangmarmar, like similar to the Taj Mahal. So very great architecture, Mughal architectures and designs built in the here, and it is just located close to and after to the Khas Mahal and just close to the Moti Masjid also. So this is the description about the hammam. So the hammam royal bath in Red Fort, which is a favorite resort of the Mughal empires. So the two rooms which is used in hammams for royal children, and the apartment on the river side was dressing room, contains two fountain basin with rose water spray, and the central chamber used for hot and cold water desire. So let's see the view of the well. There is one old well which is also located in the Red Fort complex. It's so old well as a Bauli, I mean Kua. So we can see the view. It is not too much clear because inside this well there is a lot of dust and thrown and plastic bottles has thrown into this well. So we can see, which is located just close to the Hira Mahal and after the Moti Masjid. So I am exploring very well each and every parts of the Red Fort in details and traveling. This is the view of the Moti Masjid, and this is the view of the Hira Mahal. So Hira Mahal, which is also located in the Red Fort complex, which is built by the last Mughal emperor Bahadur Shah Jafar, who was captured and imprisoned by the Britishers in Burma, where he died. So this is the view and description of the Nahre Basist Shahi Burj. So the Shahi Burj Emperor's Tower, which is octagonal tower of the Red Fort, was integral part of the Nahre Basist stream of the paradise, which water from the Yamuna river was channeled through the towers with hydraulic system and distributed to the another buildings and gardens in the Red Fort to cool and watered. So the Shahi Burj tower was damaged during the Indian Rebellion of 1857 and again during a heavy earthquake in the 1904, which Chhatri is missing nowadays. So the Prince Mirza Jawan Bakht, eldest son of the Emperor Shah Alam, jumped from the Shahi Burj in the Red Fort and leaped into the Yamuna river stream to opposite bank and fled to the Lucknow at that time. So this is the view, which is very great. And the next monument is a Sawan and Bhadro Pavilion Mandap. So in Red Fort complex stand to the north and south of the Hayat Baksh garden, named after 2 months of the rainy season in Hindu calendar, Sawan and Bhadro, which curved out with white marble, and this pavilion used to supply water with a central channel into this Red Fort complex. So let's see the view of the Sawan and Bhadro. It is located in the central, and also there are two pavilions, Sawan and Bhadro, which is located just close to the Jafar Mahal. So the next monument is the Jafar Mahal, which is built by the Bahadur Shah Jafar in 1842, stand in the center of the Hayat Baksh garden in line with Sawan and Bhadro pavilion, and Jafar Mahal, which is built of red sandstone because of the Mughal Badshah Jafar, who was the last ruler of the Mughal, who was captured by the Britishers and imprisoned after the Indian Rebellion of 1857, who lost his life in Rangoon in Burma. So this is the whole story about the Red Fort. So Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you so much. Bharat. Finally, I am returning from the here today from the Red Fort. once again thank you so much, and please subscribe my channel and like my content. So thank you so much, and I hope I try to explain very well regarding the Red Fort complex. Jai Hind, Jai